In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make classical music on Soundtrap. We'll build a short, elegant piece from scratch using Soundtrap's built-in tools, keeping things simple and musical. By the end, you'll have a clean template you can expand into a full composition. First, start a new project. Open Soundtrap, create a new music project, and choose a comfortable tempo in the 80 to 100 beats per minute range. Set a key to keep everything cohesive. C major or A minor are great starting points because they're friendly on the ear and easy to work with. Turn on the metronome so you can stay in time and create a few empty tracks to host your instruments. This sets a steady foundation and keeps your session organized. Next, choose your classical instruments. In the instrument library, pick a piano for harmonic grounding, a string section for warmth, and one solo voice, like a violin or flute, for the melody. If you want a touch of color, add a clarinet or a harp. Give each instrument its own track so arranging stays clear. If you have a MIDI keyboard, play parts in live, otherwise use the piano roll to draw notes with precision. Aim for natural articulations, long notes for strings, lyrical phrasing for winds, so your parts feel expressive. Now write a simple chord progression. Select a key, let's say C major, and lay down I4VI across 4 bars. C major, F major, G major, back to C major. Place these as whole or half notes on the piano or lower strings. Keep the bass steady and guide inner voices smoothly to nearby notes. That's called voice leading, and it makes your harmony sound polished. If the texture feels plain, break chords into gentle arpeggios to add motion without clutter. With the harmony in place, create a main melody. Use your solo instrument and start on chord tones, C, E, or G over C major, for example. Write a short motif of 4 to 6 notes, mostly stepwise with an occasional leap, and repeat or vary it across the progression. Shape the melody with a clear contour, letting it rise toward the dominant chord and resolve calmly on the tonic. Keep rhythms singable and breathe between phrases. Light quantization can help, but leave tiny variations to keep it human. Finally, add harmony and a counter melody. Support the main line with thirds or sixths in a mid-range instrument, keeping harmonies softer than the lead. Introduce a counter melody that weaves between the melody's phrases, answering rather than competing. Avoid doubling the exact same line, keep intervals musical, and let dynamics swell and relax naturally. If the texture gets crowded, thin parts so every voice is heard. That's your classical sketch in Soundtrap, clear, expressive, and ready to grow.